Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Gate.io application. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Gate.io application. Once you have logged into your Gate.io account, after that you just need to simply tap on the assets tab at the bottom right corner, and after that you need to click on this deposit button. Now here you need to tap on the on-chain deposit, and from this list of cryptocurrencies you can search for any currency according to your preference you want to deposit. In this video, for example, I am searching USDT, and after that click on USDT. That's it. Now here you need to select a network. You can select any network according to your requirements, but always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose your funds. After that, I'm selecting here Tron network, and here you can see your USDT Tron wallet address along with the QR code. Now copy this. After that, you need to select the withdrawing exchange from where you withdraw your USDT, and then we will deposit that USDT using this address in our Get.io account. So I'm choosing Bybit exchange. So simply open your Bybit exchange in order to withdraw money. Once you have successfully logged into your Bybit account, after that you just need to simply tap on the Assist tab at the bottom right corner, and here you need to click on withdraw button. After that, hide zero balances, and here you need to search USDT and select Tether at the top. After that, you will be landed on this page. Here you need to paste your withdrawing details like depositing address from your.io, selection of network, and the amount of USDT we are transferring from Bybit to Get.io. After that, we have to paste our copy address here. After that, you need to select same network you have selected on the Get.io application. So select Tron here also. Once you fill both of this information, you need to enter the amount of USDT you are transferring from your Bybit or any other exchange to Get.io account. For example, $20, and after that you need to click on this withdraw button at the bottom right corner. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your money from any other exchanges or wallets to your Get.io exchange. And that's how you can deposit money on Get.io. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.